$2 million from TikTok Shop in the last 30 days. That's how much this one product made. In this video, we are going to break down what made this product so successful on TikTok Shop so we can all learn from it. So here we are inside of kalodata, and as you can see, this product here, which is a beef tallow cream, it is currently the number 2 product in the entire TikTok Shop. It sold over 78,000 units, and it generated $2 million in revenue in the last 30 days, which is pretty insane. So let's look at the product and do a more detailed breakdown. So here's the product detail, and here's the brand's name, which is Evil Goods. And when we look at the core metrics here, in the last 30 days, on average, they are generating $64,000 of sales per day. This is the average unit price, which is about $25. So the price point is really good. That's like a price point where people don't have to overthink in order to buy. And about half of the revenue came from videos. So those are TikTok videos that are promoting the products. And about half of the revenue came from live stream. So the creators that are promoting this product are having success with both avenues. So we can also change the time frame, and let's look at the last 90 days. So in the 90 days period, they generated $2.56 million. They had a huge spike here a couple months back, and then another huge spike just last month. So this could give you like the overall trend of the product. That's what I like to look at. Now let's take a look at this product and break down what made this product a winning product in the first place. So winning products on TikTok Shop almost always have 3 things in common. Number 1, it solves a problem. So this product in particular, it's pretty much skincare without chemicals. And the second commonality is that it has a wow factor. So that's just like something special about the product. So it has potential to go viral on TikTok. And then the last one is that it appeals to a broad audience. So this product is a perfect example that has all 3. The beef tallow cream solves an actual problem because it helps people get better skin without any of the chemicals. It has a wow factor. It's easy for people to create content on. So this product went super viral the last couple months on TikTok. And lastly, it definitely appeals to a broad audience. So anyone that's into skincare, whether male or female, people from their 20s to the 50s would find it appealing. So next, let's take a quick look of the branding and the website. It definitely stands out from all the other products. So that definitely helps capture more attention. And they have viral on YouTube, viral on TikTok. So that is an element of authority. And when you look at the product photos, they put a lot of before and after photos. So those are testimonials, which is great for sales and marketing. It worked for thousands of others. So all these are really good social proof. So there are more social proof and testimonials. And here's the ingredients. And then here we are looking at the comparison between this product and the conventional skincare product. More product photos. So these are really good high quality photos. So overall, the branding of this product is really great. And even this website is very straightforward. Makes it really easy for people to read and to purchase. It's probably made in the USA, so that could be appealing for some people. Free shipping today, 30 days easy returns. So that's risk reversal. So that gives some people more confidence to purchase. And here are just the detailed information, FAQ, and more social proof. And with skincare product, it's one of the biggest category in TikTok Shop. Social proof is probably one of the best strategy to use to sell skincare type of products because people can see exactly what it does with the before and after. So they're doing a really good job with showing the social proof. So overall, it's a very straightforward, really great website. So let's come back to kalodata and scroll down here on this page. So when we look at this, there are 2,700 creators that are making content on this product, which is a lot of creators. So that's why it's selling so well. They definitely leverage a lot of the TikTok Shop affiliates creators to create content on this product. And if you're not familiar what that is basically the brand owner working with the TikTok Shop affiliate creators, where the creators make content to promote their products. And if people watch the TikToks and end up purchasing the product through their videos, then the creators would get credit and receive a commission. It's a win-win situation for everyone. The customer gets a great product, the affiliate creator gets a commission, and then the brand owner makes the sale without having to incur any advertising cost. So here we are looking at the top creator for this product. In the last 30 days, she generated $148,000 in sales. So at the time of the recording, they are paying 20% in commission. So which is a relatively higher commission than the standard. Most other products pays 10-15% to creators, whereas they are paying 20%. So I think by paying a higher commission, that also gives a higher incentives for creators to want to work with them. So I think that could be also one of their strategy to get creators to want to work with them. So this one creator alone, when you take 148,000 and you times it by 20%, that is a $29,600 in commission just by promoting this product. The other top 10 creators are ranging from $40,000 to $68,000. So the take-home commission range, you're looking at anywhere between $8,000 to $14,000, which is pretty amazing because they're not just limited to promoting this one product. They can promote as many products as they want. So let's come down here and take a look at the exact videos that are generating the sales. So let's take a look at this 7 seconds video.
I think you might have accidentally saved my life.
Okay, so that was the 7 seconds video. And this video has gotten over 1.6 million views and generated almost $26,000 in revenue. So when you times that by 20%, so this creator earned $5,200 in take-home commission just by creating this 7 seconds video. So this tool that I'm using is called kalodata. It makes researching on TikTok Shop so much easier. You can see exactly what's selling by just using filters and see exactly what videos are getting views and also making sales. And if you want to do your own research with this tool, you can try this for free with the direct link I listed down below. So let's take a look at another one.
That was a lot of money. Why would you throw that all away?
Okay, so I just got home, and in my defense, I did not realize that the shit that I threw away cost that much money. So I threw away all of her like toxic moisturizers and stuff because I bought her this beef tallow because I love my mommy and I care about her health and I want her to stop using that crap. But I don't know why she's so mad. Like, I get it, but I don't. Because she's seen what it's done for my brother's eczema. She's seen what it's done for my boyfriend's acne. She's seen how it's helped me with my dry skin and my wrinkles. And this isn't just some regular beef tallow. Like, it has quality ingredients like manuka honey and marigold extract. And they're on a super big sale right now. So I bought her another one, okay? So I made up for what I threw away. And, like, I've tried telling her this stuff is worth it. Like, it has quality ingredients and it's cheap. But I will update you guys whenever I go to her house next week to see if she's still mad at me.
So that's a longer video. It's 1 minute long. So this one, she had a little curiosity hook in the beginning. And then she just goes into talk about the product and the benefits. So both short and longer videos could both work in terms of promoting these products. So this video has gotten over 1.44 million views and generated $19,000 in revenue. So her take-home profit for this 1 minute video is $3,800, which I think is still really good in my opinion. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and I hope to see you in the next one.